everybody, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Cheryl and I am the activity author here to bring you another book inspired craft video. And if you don't know me, what's up? My name is Cheryl and I am an author and I create easy kids crafts out of household items that are usually inspired by books by self-published authors. So if you like that type of stuff, stick around guys, because I got lots of unique crafts on this channel, and I'm sure if you guys hit that subscribe button, you'll stick around. You will enjoy your stay, I'm telling you, okay? Now guys, y'all just gonna love the video here today because these crafts are so unique and they turned out excellent. Like, they beyond my imagination, you know what I'm saying? Because I imagine these, but when I actually execute them and they turn out super cute, I'm super excited. So guess what, y'all? Today's book is called The Night Owl Goes to Space by Miss C.Lee and illustrated by Vera Cisalina. You guys are just going to love this book because you're going to appreciate the creativity and you're going to love the message that encourages kids to follow their dreams, okay? So stay tuned because after these very cool crafts, I'm going to tell you guys why you need this book added to your child's library like today, okay? All right, guys. So like I always say, let's get crafty. All right, y'all, so our journey begins with this magical staircase that appears outside of the night owl's window, and he takes that all the way up to the galaxy. So that is what inspired this craft right here. So we're going to water down some paint. I'm going to start with some white, just add some water and get it till it's drippy. And then I already have this blue paint that I had from my last craft. If y'all saw that last video, you can click the card up top, but that's where I saved this paint. And then I'm going to go ahead and water down this purple. I know there's some blue in there, but y'all, it don't matter. Just get it nice and drippy. Have your kids just drip it over a pan and some construction paper like I'm doing right here. Next, my kids painted this paper towel roll and they did a cute little job with it. I like the colors they chose. So what we're going to do is this is going to be the book stack part. So we're going to make our stairs out of books, y'all. Yes. So I'm going to cut this into several pieces. Just watch how I'm doing it here. But this is going to be our books for our book stack staircase. Now, you can make as many books as you want with this. I'm just going to do just enough for our character to reach the moon or wherever we're going to have him reach. But all you do is you cut it, just like this. And then I'm just trying to figure out how we're going to stack it. Now, you can stack it like stairs or you can stack it like a messy book stack. It's your choice, guys. Just do whatever your heart desires. But this is so much fun. And the best part, look, guys, I added titles to the books. And if you know Miss C.Lee, these are all of her previous books before The Night Owl Goes to Space. How cool is that? So yeah, she got lots of books. So we were able to use all of her book titles to get our night owl up to the galaxy. It's up to you what you want to use for the moon. You can use a coffee filter like this, or if you want to make it a planet, that's fine. So I'm going to take our little galaxy paint splotchy masterpiece we made at the beginning of this video. It's all dry now, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on another construction paper, and then we're going to do our book stack, and that is really all it is to this project. Super simple, super cute and creative. You guys gotta try this one. So I decided to turn the moon into a planet. So he's going to be walking up the book staircase to the planet. And if you guys want to see how I dyed this, it's just a paper towel and markers and water. So if you want to see how I dyed it, you can click the card up top, or there is going to be a link to the previous video where I dyed this paper towel. But yeah, so you guys can get as creative as you want with this, but really this is it. You can have your child add some stars in the background with some chalk. You can even have them add some planets like I have here. I don't know about y'all, but I like the messy book stack look just like this one. So yeah, however you try it, just try it today, guys. All right, so now we're gonna move on to our second craft, which is the astronaut craft. I really love this one. So what you're gonna need to do is go to my website, link below, but you're gonna need this template here that I made for the ninja craft. If you haven't seen that video, y'all gotta see that. That's also another awesome video. So click the card up top, it's also linked below. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna print out this template of this, my daughter liked to call it the gingerbread man. Go ahead and print the gingerbread man out, cut it out on top of some construction paper. So what I did was I cut the circle out of the template, but I did not cut it over construction paper. I actually put the circle over my daughter's picture of her face, right? And then I just cut the circle out. So that's why they're the same size. You see that? So now what I did was I sketched a circle in the inside. I just freehanded it and I'm now cutting it out just like this. So now they're going to be the same exact size, but then my daughter will be able to see out of her helmet when I put her little head on there. Now I did have to shift it down a little bit, so I'm cutting some more of the photo, and that is fine. You just want the paper to stick over the portrait like this so it looks like it's a helmet. That is it. So go ahead and glue that on or tape it, and once you do that, you're ready to decorate. And this is what we came up with, just something a little simple, but y'all, sky's the limit, literally. Here is that galaxy sheet again. We have plenty of these, so what we're gonna do is we're going to glue this down, and we are done with this craft, y'all. Easy peasy and cute. Now if your child or if you don't have a picture of your child, you guys can always sketch just a regular face into this astronaut craft, and it'll still look cute either way. For this last craft idea, we are going to go with the constellations, which are found on several pages just like this in the book. So we decided to take this and turn this into an activity, and we're going to go with the follow your dreams theme, because that's really the theme of this book throughout. So I'm going to show you guys two ways to do this. You're going to need some mini marshmallows, and you can see my daughter, she is gluing them onto a black sheet that she accidentally cut, but we're not going to go there, okay? So now that she's glued her marshmallows down, she's going to connect the dots in any way that she wants to create her own constellation. Look at this. So as your child finishes their constellation, you guys see how this could also look like a map, right? Like you're going on a journey and you're going to different places in your rocket ship. Yeah, so you could actually turn this into that activity as well, where I just did this little quick makeshift rocket ship, and your child could actually use this as a map to go to the different planets, right? Look how creative this is, guys. So it's many different things you guys can do with this. Just have a lot of fun with it, but this kind of goes with following your dreams, because you know, in order to follow your dreams, you need a map, you need a guide, you need to have some kind of foundation. So that's kind of where this craft was birthed from that idea. So now that your child has made their constellation map, let's make some 3D models of some constellations. We're going to use some mini marshmallows again. We're going to use some toothpicks. And if you're not, comfortable using toothpicks with younger kids, use some spaghetti. That works as well. It's not as sharp. Really, this is it. You just have a ball with this. Do as many combinations as you can think of, and even name your constellations. Add some background to it. Y'all, sky is the limit, and have so much fun with this, okay? All right, so guys, we are going to talk about the book that inspired all of these great crafts here today. So After finally falling asleep, the night owl dreams of climbing the skies to experience all that outer space has to offer. The journey from his bedroom to the stars instills the importance of imagination and reinforcing the powers of visualizing to help achieve your goals. That's really what this book is about, guys. Just helping kids realize their true capabilities and just letting them see how far they can go in life. Now, I love all the creative, subtle touches to this book. For example, I love how Miss Kim has the main character take the stairs to the galaxy instead of just taking a rocket ship like we would all assume, right? So it's just a lot of little subtle creative things you're going to find in this book. So you'll definitely want to take this creative magical journey with our night owl. And look, guys, there's even facts in the back of the book, also with a vocabulary list as well. To complement this book, there is a coloring and activity book, and also the original Night Owl book. There is a coloring activity book available as well. Now, if you're looking for educational content related to the Night Owl, that's coming out soon. So y'all make sure that y'all follow Miss Kim on her socials so y'all know when she releases educational content for teachers and educators and things like that. And the last thing, Miss Kim also requests, guys, if you guys do any of her activities, please take pictures and tag her on her social media accounts, or even email them to this email right here. I'll also have this email linked below as well. And guys, I just love Miss Kim. We go way back to like the beginning of my author journey. I met her because, online we were running in the same circles of authors, and I just found this woman and I snatched her up and I never let her go because she is just such a phenomenal woman. She is a children's book author, as y'all already know. She is a creator and a creative coach, and she lives in Maryland with her family. Now, I first met Miss Kim when I crafted her first book. Like I told you guys, it is linked below if you want to check that out. You should check that out because it's some really good crafts in there. But yes, Kim writes stories to show kids the value of their experiences and helping others to accomplish their own creative goals. So you guys can head to her website if you want some training on Canva. I took one of her Canva classes and I can 100% guarantee that you will benefit from it. The reason why I think all of my content is starting to look better, visually pleasing to the eye, is because of Miss Kim. And she taught me so many tips and tools on how to use Canva for all different aspects of my business. So yes, her prices on the workshop are very reasonable too. So definitely you want to go on there and sign up today, because I'm telling you guys, those classes, the workshops, they are worth it. And while you guys are on her website, make sure you grab a copy of The Night Owl Goes to Space and get the original Night Owl book as well, y'all. It's a series over here. And I actually heard that the Frankie book is pretty popular with schools too, so you definitely want to check this book out as well. Hey, you know what? They're like Pokemon cards. You got to catch them all. So yeah, collect them all and you will be happy you did so. Okay, guys? So now I want to thank Miss Kim for allowing us to create with her book today. I want to thank you guys, the viewer, for making it all the way to the end of this video. Be sure to comment below which craft was your favorite so I can continue to bring ideas just like this. And don't forget to drop down in the description box and grab your copy of the book, and follow our author on all of the social medias that I have linked below. And guys, if you found this video valuable, please make sure you hit that like button, let YouTube know so they can boost my video through the algorithm, because I believe that more educators and parents need to find my videos, guys. And hey, if you like the content, don't you forget you need to subscribe, because I'm gonna be releasing videos every Sunday just like this, and you do not want to miss it. Lastly, guys, y'all already know, when your child creates one of my activities, please be sure to take pictures and tag me on my Instagram so that way I can celebrate them and shout them out on a job well done. And guys, don't leave just yet, because I have over 200 videos that you guys can watch on this channel, and definitely keep the party going. And you know what, guys? I'm gonna see you in that next video, okay? All right, bye.